Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to Money Making Mel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how AI can supercharge your blogging and affiliate marketing efforts to boost your earnings. Let's get started. Imagine having a tool that can help you create content faster, optimize your posts for SEO, and even find the best affiliate products to promote. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach blogging and affiliate marketing, making it easier than ever to maximize your income. In this video, we'll explore various AI tools and techniques that can help you streamline your workflow and increase your revenue. From content generation to data analysis, AI offers a plethora of opportunities to enhance your blogging and affiliate marketing strategies. So, if you're ready to take your blogging and affiliate marketing game to the next level, stay tuned. Speaking of SEO, AI can also be a game changer in keyword research. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. AI technology has revolutionized the way we approach SEO, making it more efficient and effective than ever before. These AI-powered tools analyze search trends and competition to suggest the best keywords for your content. They can process vast amounts of data in seconds, providing you with insights that would take a human hours, if not days, to compile. This means you can quickly identify high-performing keywords that will drive traffic to your site. They also offer insights into what your audience is searching for, so you can tailor your content to meet their needs. By understanding the search intent behind keywords, you can create content that not only ranks well, but also resonates with your audience. This leads to higher engagement and better conversion rates. With AI, you can stay ahead of the competition and ensure your content reaches the right audience. AI tools can also help with content optimization, suggesting improvements to make your content more SEO-friendly. Additionally, they can assist in audience targeting, ensuring that your content is seen by those most likely to be interested in it. This comprehensive approach to SEO and keyword research can significantly boost your online presence and drive business growth. Moreover, AI-driven analytics can provide you with real-time data on your SEO performance. This allows you to make informed decisions and adjust your strategies on the fly. By continuously monitoring and optimizing your content, you can maintain a competitive edge in the digital marketplace. AI can also assist in content creation by generating topic ideas and even drafting initial versions of your posts. This can save you time and help you maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for SEO. Finally, AI tools can help with backlink analysis, identifying potential link-building opportunities that can further enhance your site's authority and ranking. By leveraging AI in all these aspects of SEO and keyword research, you can create a robust and effective digital marketing strategy that drives results. Now let's see how AI can boost your affiliate marketing efforts. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach affiliate marketing, making it more efficient and effective than ever before. By leveraging AI, you can gain a competitive edge in the crowded digital marketplace. AI can track your affiliate links, analyze performance, and suggest improvements. Imagine having a tool that constantly monitors your links, providing real-time data on clicks, conversions, and overall performance. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimizing your strategies for better results. It can help you identify which products are performing well and which ones need a little push. With AI, you can easily pinpoint the top-selling products and those that are lagging behind. This insight enables you to focus your efforts on promoting high-performing items while devising strategies to boost the sales of underperforming ones. And with AI-powered personalization, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience, increasing your conversion rates and earnings. AI can analyze user behavior and preferences, allowing you to tailor your messages and offers to individual customers. This level of personalization not only enhances user experience, but also builds stronger customer relationships, leading to higher loyalty and repeat business. Additionally, AI can provide predictive analytics and trend forecasting, helping you stay ahead of market changes. By understanding future trends, you can adjust your strategies proactively, ensuring that you are always one step ahead of your competitors. This foresight can be invaluable in maintaining a successful affiliate marketing campaign. AI can also assist in automated content creation and dynamic pricing strategies. With AI, you can generate high-quality content that engages your audience and drives traffic to your affiliate links. Dynamic pricing, powered by AI, allows you to adjust prices in real time based on market demand, maximizing your revenue potential. By integrating AI into your affiliate marketing strategy, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve remarkable success in your campaigns. Embrace the power of AI and watch your affiliate marketing efforts soar to new heights. To wrap up, let's look at some success stories and tips for getting started with AI in your blogging and affiliate marketing journey. These pros have seen significant growth in their traffic and earnings thanks to AI. One blogger, for instance, reported a 50% increase in traffic within just 3 months of integrating AI tools into their content strategy. Another affiliate marketer saw their conversion rates double after using AI to optimize their product recommendations. Their advice? Start small, experiment with different tools, and find what works best for your niche. Many successful bloggers emphasize the importance of not being afraid to try new things. AI can seem daunting at first, but the potential benefits are worth the learning curve. One tip is to start with AI tools that offer free trials. This way, you can test their effectiveness without any financial commitment. Pay attention to the data and analytics provided by these tools. They can offer valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. Collaboration is another key. Join online communities or forums where you can share experiences and learn from others who are also using AI in their blogging and affiliate marketing efforts. Remember, success with AI doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt. Keep refining your strategies, stay updated with the latest AI advancements, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of discovering new ways to enhance your blogging and affiliate marketing with AI. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and found the information valuable. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more tips and tricks. Your support means a lot to us and helps us create more content for you. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try. We love hearing your thoughts and suggestions, and it helps us understand what kind of content you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might also find it useful. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the amazing world of AI. Before we go, let's quickly recap what we covered today. We discussed how AI can revolutionize your blogging and affiliate marketing efforts, boosting your earnings and saving you time. Remember, the key is to experiment with different AI tools and find the ones that work best for you. Each tool has its unique strengths, so don't hesitate to explore and innovate. Your journey with AI is just beginning, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep having fun with AI. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy blogging.